Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we are going to teach you how to add a link to your TikTok bio or video so you can share your website, blog, or other social media accounts with your followers. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more app secrets and tricks. So, let's get started. First, you need to open the TikTok app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your videos, likes, and followers. Next, you need to tap on the Edit Profile button, which is below your profile picture and username. This will allow you to edit your bio, name, username, and other settings. To add a link to your bio, simply tap on the Add Bio field and paste the URL of the website you want to share. You can also type a short description or a catchy phrase to attract your viewers' attention. For example, you can write "Check out my blog for more tips and tricks," or "Follow me on Instagram for more content." Once you are done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully added a link to your TikTok bio. But what if you want to add a link to a specific video instead of your bio? Well, that's also possible, and we are going to show you how. First, you need to go back to your profile page and tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This will allow you to create a new video or upload an existing one from your gallery. Choose the video you want to add a link to and edit it as you normally would. You can add filters, stickers, music, text, and other effects to make your video more engaging. Once you are happy with your video, tap on the Next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Post screen, where you can add a caption, hashtags, and other settings. To add a link to your video, tap on the Text button at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will allow you to add text to your video. You can choose the font, color, size, and position of the text. To add a link, simply paste the URL of the website you want to share. You can also type a short message or a call to action to encourage your viewers to click on the link. For example, you can write "Swipe up to visit my website," or "Click here to see more videos like this." Once you are done, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Post button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You have successfully added a link to your TikTok video. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.